Hey there! Fantastic folks! Ever snap the perfect selfie only to spot your messy room photobombing in the background? No biggie! Today, I'm here to show you how to boot that background out of there using CapCut on your iPhone. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First up, grab your iPhone and open CapCut. Don't have it yet? Quick! Head over to the App Store, download it, and then come back here. All set? Awesome! Let's get started. Tap on that New Project button. Think of it as opening a brand new canvas for your photo creativity. Next, pick the photo you want to work on. Find that pic with the blah background. Select it, and hit Add. Time to sprinkle some editing magic. Now, tap on your photo in the timeline. This is you telling CapCut, "Yep, this is the one I'm transforming." Scroll through the bottom menu until you spot Remove Background or Cutout, whatever your app is calling it today. Tap on it, and watch the magic happen. Just like that, CapCut makes that background vanish. If the cutout isn't flawless, don't worry. Grab the brush or erase tools to neaten up any edges. Zoom in for those little details, just a bit of touch-up to make your photo shine. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, tap the Export button, pick your settings, and voila! Your edited photo is saved and ready to impress. And there you have it. You've just kicked that background to the curb like a pro using CapCut on your iPhone. Simple, right? Don't forget to like, share, and comment with any cool editing tips you've got. Until next time, keep those photos coming.